Joanna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on the link. I'm going to talk about another beauty box, a next beauty box. I've already filmed one video, so I don't know which one's going to go first, but I'll link them if I remember. Otherwise, just go through my videos. Now, I have bought the Beauty Essentials beauty box and the steak. Oh no, hang on. That's the mistake I made. So I have filmed the Staycation Next Beauty Box video already, and this is the Feel Good beauty box. So this is what I have, what I'm going to talk to you about. I lost my train of thought. It's just there. So if you're new here, thanks for clicking on the link. I film videos about beauty. I review beauty products. I sometimes do Get Ready With Me for glasses, but I'm partially sighted, so I'm not a makeup artist, and my makeup skills aren't that grand. So if you're looking for a makeup tutorial channel, I'm not that. I do love makeup though, and I do buy a lot of it, and I do like sharing my thoughts about these products. I am a plus size. I'm a 16, 18 on a bad day. So I film videos about fashion, and I love stationery and planners. So I have planner videos as well. I'm Greek, so there are lots of things that have to do with Greek, Kalimera. And yeah, if you would like to subscribe to my channel, that would be great. If you are a subscriber watching these videos, thanks so much for watching and coming back and, you know, watching the video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you are. So this beauty box is the Feel Good beauty box. Now the next beauty boxes aren't subscription boxes. So you can't subscribe monthly, or at least not to my knowledge. You have to go on the next website. If you're lucky, find it and buy the next box. Now I went on the website twice and saw that there were two beauty boxes, and I bought both of them. They are £20. And you can either get them sent to your house for a little charge, or go into a store and collect it from there. But you can't go into the store and buy it. So you need to order it online and then collect it from the store. When you collect it from the store, it is free. So that's what I did. Now my beauty box, some energy for the video. My beauty box story is that I have subscribed to the glossy box, which I stopped after a few months. I liked the glossy box, but I wasn't like, oh, this is an amazing box, so I stopped it. Then I subscribed to the Look Fantastic box. I really like that one. I have been subscribed to it for 6 months, but I stopped because I wanted to try different boxes. I will go back to the Look Fantastic. So if you ask me which one do I prefer, I think I prefer the Look Fantastic one because it has a few more products that are skincare related, and I prefer skincare a bit more when it comes to those subscription boxes. Now, I had seen the next beauty box and I really wanted to try them. So let's see. So this is the box. It's nothing special. It's a normal box. You can use it again if you want to. I like that it's from recycled material. So it says, please recycle me. So I don't know if it is recycled or not. And I think there is some involvement of Marie Claire. So that's always a plus. Now, according to the description, because my beauty box didn't come with a booklet, so I printed out the next description, and I have it here. I made it a bit bigger because I can't see well. Now it says, brighten up your day and get back to your best self with our new beauty box worth over £80. It's filled to the brim with feel-good treats for skin, face and hair from some of the biggest brands, including Benefit, Smashbox, Emma Hardy. Even better, you'll find a leaflet inside. I didn't have one. With loads of handy information. What's not to love? So, what is in it? Now, something they say, please note, as with all our next beauty boxes, the total combined value is based on full size and travel size items only. Sample size items that may read not for resale are not counted in this value. Images of the products in the leaflet provided within the beauty box may not accurately reflect the size or feel or the look of the products. Now, let's begin. So I've already opened this. I'm not going to be like, oh wow, this is fantastic, I'm so surprised. I'm not surprised. I've seen what's in it and I really liked it. So when you open it, it's like, it says beauty treats are inside. I'm going to take everything out so I can show you. There are a few There are a few full-size products and then some smaller products. Let me just take everything out. Quite a big box. I mean, this is what it is, and now I've emptied it. I'm gonna chuck this over here and let's begin. So the first thing is the Cherry Blossom L'Occitane Shower Gel. So it is how many mLs? Let me see. So the L'Occitane, I don't know, do you like L'Occitane? Let me just find the how much is in it. L'Occitane, hang on, let me pause. Oops, wrong box. This, I was talking about the staycation one again. So that video has already been filmed. I'm going to pause and get the right box out. Okay, right, beauty box. So it comes with Saint-Tropez dual-sided velvet Luxe applicator mitt for, you know, self-tanning, which is always useful. And then it also comes with the Saint-Tropez self-tan purity vitamins, and it's 35 ml. And I've heard about this. I really want to try it. I'm going to read more about it, but I really want to see how this is. Now it says this is body mist, so I wonder what it smells like. Oh, it smells nice. It smells clean, which is always a good thing. Let's move on to a product I know well, a brand I know well. 20 ml. This is the Korres foaming cream cleanser. I love Korres. It's a Greek brand. If you've never heard of them, you should check them out. Really nice packaging and really nice products. I really like these products, and when I go to Greece I always buy products from Korres. Then we have the mud. Let me just straighten this. So yeah, what was I saying? So the mud masky. This is a morning boosting mask. So hang on, you're a bit crooked. Let me just straighten you. There you go. Okay. So yeah, it's a morning mask. Really looking forward to using that. And that is about how many mLs? I think it says, let me see, mud masky morning, it's 20 mLs. It's a sample size. Now, we get a sample size of the Love Tint by Benefit. This is how small it is. So this is my little finger. It's smaller than my little finger. I've never used these. I don't know, have you used this? I'm looking forward to trying it. It's probably going to be a in-your-face red or dark colour. I'm colourblind. So anyway, that is exciting. Then you get the Smashbox primer, which is, I've heard a lot about this primer, the Photo Finish primer, and it is a 7 ml sample. I think that's enough to get a feeling of this primer. I'll let you know what I think. I'm really excited about this. This is the By Terry Rose Balm, and it's so cute. It's tiny. It's very small, but I think it's enough for a balm, because how many times do you finish a balm? I don't know. It smells so rosy. I love the scent of rose in any product. I just love roses. All my perfumes are roses. All my home scents are roses. Everything's roses. So this By Terry lip balm is 3 grams, a sample size. Then we have the Emma Hardy Midas Touch Revitalizing Cream. I said Midas in a Greek way. 15 ml. So what is this revitalizing? It's a revitalizing cream. I wonder what it's going to do to my face and revitalize it. Then we have this is a 4-in-1 express tan. I don't use tan, so this is probably going to go in a giveaway later on this year, because I never use tan because I'm colorblind, and I'm scared that it's going to go like really bad. but it is a big size. So this is, oh, it's got a British flag, so I guess it's made in the UK. And it is yeah, Bake Express 4-in-1 tan, 50 ml travel size. Then we get the Lemon Oil Nourishing Cuticle Mask with Vitamin E. I'm looking forward to trying this because my cuticles could use some help. I've tried these OK face masks before, Korean Beauty, and yeah, they're good. Then we get the Monu Skin Firming Fiji Facial Oil, which is for dry to sensitive skin. It is 30 ml. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it smells like suntan lotion. That's what it smells like keratin or something like that. And then I've had this before. I've never used it. I always get this in beauty boxes. I don't know how to say it. Ameliorate. So this is a transforming body lotion, and you get a lot of product. Let's see how many. It's 50 ml. So the body lotion is 50 ml. So all these products to try for £20. Now, both boxes are still available, so I'm going to share both boxes one after the other. So if you want to see my other box, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. I would love it if you joined the little group. Leave a comment below if you've tried any of these products, what you think. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.